This is my cherry tree. It's actually one of the lucky trees we got because a bird ate from a cherry tree just over there, we're guessing, and dropped the seed, and this cherry tree started growing. So we found it and I decided, this design I've grown previously in Australia and I really love it. So I decided I'll grow a normal size table here. Now today, what I'm going to do is be pruning back the growth, because this is the growth I want to encourage to grow along. But the tree law that I am going to teach today is the tree wants to go from its roots to straight up canopy as fast as it can. So the ones that are like less curved to them, it's trying to use those to dominate. If you look at the length of that compared to the length of that, it's putting a lot of growth into this one. So we're going to not let it do that. But I'm not pruning it right off. And the reason I'm not pruning it right off is these leaves act like little pumps to bring up the water, and this growing tip needs the water to come up to it. So we just leave them with some growth there. But lower down here, I will take them right off, but I'll leave a couple still to act as pumps, but mainly the ones that are under. So it's got to put a lot of effort in to try and bring it up. So now we're going to encourage this growth will start to take off because it hasn't been pruned at all, and the tree's like, oh, and it'll grow. This shoot is now at the highest of it all, and it's the most active shoot.